Kia ora te whānau, Grant Whitbourne back again with another quick language lesson for you in Te Reo Māori. Now, please don't forget, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. And I'd also like to send another invite out to anyone that hasn't joined our private Facebook group yet. Down in the comments below, in the link description below, there'll be a link where you can join our Facebook group. There's plenty more content outside of the domain of YouTube, outside of video, so please make sure you check that out. Now, for today's lesson, we're going to look at the word I. That's A-I. Now, I is a very, very diverse word in Te Reo Māori, so today we're going to look at one particular use of the word I, and that is how we can use it to start talking about habitual actions, things that are customary. So these might be things like saying, the girl goes to school, the boy goes to the shop. It's kind of like saying that this implied that what's being said happens often, happens regularly. Now this is different from the action sentences that you often see pop up a lot, and that I do talk a lot about on this channel, where we say, like, he is going to the shop or she is going to school, where we're actually talking about the action in the there and the now happening. This is a customary action. It's not talking about something that's necessarily happening right now, but we're talking about something that does habitually happen. So what we'll do, we'll jump across to the screencast. We'll start typing out some of the lesson, and hopefully this will make it a bit clearer for you. So the word is I, A-I, and we're going to be looking at it in the context of it being a habitual action. So, as I do like to usually start all these lessons, we're going to look at the formula for this first. So the formula, we need first the action that someone's taken. So my quick examples there of the girl goes to school, go being the action word there, so haere. Then we have I. Then we have, so that's the word we're looking at today to form this lesson. Then after that, we're going to look at, we'll call this the subject. So this would be the girl in that example. Then what we have at the end, I don't quite know how to describe what this word is, but we're looking at words like when, where, and what. It's really the parts of the sentence that help give context to what's being said. Let me just try and tidy this up a little bit. Margins, make my margin narrow. So in this case, we had the girl, or the goes, so going. The subject was the girl, and then this last part of it was going to school. So what does this look like in action? Haere plus I. Te kōtiro ki te kura. Whoops. Te reo Pākehā spell correction. Ki te kura. So haere ai, te kōtiro, ki te kura. And I don't think my little macron button's working at the moment, so you're going to have to excuse the absence of the macrons. The girl goes to school. So what other sorts of things can we talk about? I'm going to just delete. Actually, I might make some of this smaller so we can keep it on the same page. Make it like 32. The girl goes to school. Yellow. What's another one we can talk about? This is another example that I've seen somewhere in a book or something. Waiata ai ngā manu I te ata. The birds sing in the morning. So waiata being our action word up here. Then we've got I. Then we've got the subject, ngā manu, I te, and spell corrected again, I te ata. Waiata ai ngā manu, I te ata. We could say something like, the inverse of that might be moe ai ngā manu I te pō. The birds sleep at night. So really, with this, you're really just talking about anything that's a habitual action. And you'll find that you'll actually probably say these sorts of things quite a lot. You just probably don't really realize it. And yeah, that's the lesson for today. So look, what I want from you to do, to take some action in this lesson, I'd love you to give me 3 examples down below in the comments section of some habitual actions that you can think of. They can be really simple. Just don't forget this structure. We're looking for really simple action words here, really simple subjects. The subject is really anything that's doing that action. It could be a boy, it could be a girl, it could be you, it could be me, it could be him, it could be her, it could be the dog, it could be the cat, it could be anything. And then you've just got to add, the where, the what, and the when. The when, the where, and the what at the end of it. So, yeah, let me know how you go down below. I'd love to see what your examples are, and I'll check them out.